Introducing Window Doctors, Brisbane, Queensland. Established for 15 years with a $500,000 turnover and no special skills required, this is the business to buy. Training will be provided by current owner in the area of sales, marketing and quoting jobs. Window Doctors was established by the current owner, who runs the business from home and employs a small dedicated team on a subcontractor basis to undertake the work on sites. Services range from repairing and restoring aluminium windows, doors and screens, including resprays and mechanical maintenance, to installing new ones. There is ongoing work with real estate agents and body corporate managers, and little competition offering specialised restoration skills. The price includes a fully equipped Toyota Hiace van, stock, and a comprehensive website with SEO ongoing for top Google positioning. Servicing a growing home renovation market, you'll enjoy low overheads, tax benefits, and no staffing issues or wages to endure.